Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 10. This is Section 2.3, Problem 10. It says write the fraction in simplest form, and we have 48 over 64. So what we want to do is find the largest value that divides into both the top and bottom evenly. And again, I can see we have a few choices. 2 divides into both evenly, 4 divides into both evenly, but 8 would be a better choice. 8 divides into 48 6 times, because 6 times 8 is 48, and 8 divides into 64 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Now the result, 6 over 8, is telling me that I did not use the biggest possible value that I could, because these are both even numbers. I can at least cut them both in half. I can divide 2 into both evenly. So 2 divides into 6 3 times, and 2 divides into 8 4 times. That gives me a result of 3/4. So if I had thought about it more, I could have figured out that 16 divides into both of them evenly. But I didn't happen to see that. I saw the 8, I went with that, it got me a step closer, and then I was able to finish it in one more step. So if you think about it, you can always do it in one step, but sometimes that takes more effort than just doing 2 steps that go a little quicker.